This is for my babies, for my babies, for my babies, for my babies. My beautiful baby, oh. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another video to show you guys how I install this beautiful spring twist crochet hair. This hair was sent to me by a Amazon store called Youngther. It's 8 inches and I got it in the color 1B30. 6 packs of hair came in the package and each pack has 15 strands. The package also comes with a crochet needle, a little mirror, 2 clips, and some cute little air jewels. Oh, and guys, I'll be going off camera to prep my hair for the installation. I'll be doing the rubber band method. I'll also be putting castor oil on the rubber bands so that way he doesn't put too much tension on my hair or pull my hair out. I also want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for helping me get to over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, I really do appreciate it. Now this is what the hair looks like out of the packaging, guys. This hair is so beautiful. Don't mind me right here, guys. I am so feeling myself, already loving the hairstyle. Okay guys, so enough of me feeling myself. The first thing I'll be doing is to smooth out my ends with edge booster. This helps to keep away the frizz and helps my hair to stay in place while I'm twisting out. Then I'll be fluffing and pulling the hair apart. And if any of you guys decide to try this out, please be gentle with the hair. We don't want to get the hair all tangled. I'll leave the link to this hair in the description below so you guys can go get yours and tell me what you think about it. In each section, I'll be using 2 strands of the hair because I want my twist to have that big, fat, fluffy type of look. You guys can just watch the method carefully of how I crochet the hair in. I crochet in the hair this way because it helps to hide the rubber band a lot better. And I put a little bit of ear oil on the tip of my fingers because that helps me to twist the hair better without getting too much tangling and that type of stuff. And I'm not rope twisting the hair, guys. I'm just doing a normal twist. I'll be doing it again one more time so you guys can see. And if you have to slow the video down, pause the video, watch it over again so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Do what you have to do, sis. Okay guys, so as we're approaching the end of this video, you'll see me trimming the ends of the hair. I'll be oiling my scalp with the Jamaican black castor oil, and also I'll be using the Latte Body mousse on my hair that will help to take away frizz. And guys, if you've made it this far in my video and you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you around in the next one. Peace out.